students from NPO Public School, which is situated in Kolabachar, Gorakhpur. Student, in my previous video, we have completed the poem Clouds and we have completed the exercises of that chapter. So now today I am going to explain the next one, which is chapter number 3, and the title of this chapter is Why Did Seema Fall? Why did Seema fall? So student, for that you all take out your New Chance English Reader book and open page number 18. On page number 18 there is chapter number 3, Why Did Seema Fall? So student, firstly I am going to read and after that explain this story to you. So student, you have to put finger on your book and start reading with me. Okay. So firstly there is a first paragraph. This is Seema's room. Student, put finger on your book and start reading with me. Okay. So this is Seema's room. It is a small room. Student, as you can see, there is a room. So this is the Seema's room. Okay. And it is a small room. After that, the next is, it has a bed. It has a bed, a chair, a table. So student, in this story, there is a little girl whose name was Seema. Okay, and what happened with her, we have to learn in this story that how did she fall? So student, we are going to read. This is Seema's room. This is Seema's room and it is a small room. It has a bed, a chair, a table. In her room there is a bed, a table, a chair. Now the next is the curtains are blue. The curtains are blue in Seema's room. Student, there is a curtains in Seema's room and the color of curtains are blue. Okay. So now the next is, come to the next para, there is a Seema's room is untidy. So student, there is a word untidy. What the meaning of untidy? Do you know that? The meaning of untidy is dirty. Dirty. The meaning of untidy is dirty. Student, what the spelling of untidy? The spelling of untidy is U-N-T-I-D-Y. Untidy. And the meaning of untidy is dirty. D-I-R-T-Y. Dirty. So Seema's room is untidy. Okay. After that, the next line is her school bags. Her school bag is on the floor. Where is the Seema's school bag? There is a question. Where is Seema's school bag? So we have to say that Seema's school bag is on the floor. Okay. So now moving to the next line, there is her books are lying on the bed. Where are Seema's books? So we have to say that Seema's books are lying on the bed. Now moving to the next line, there is a one shoes is on the chair. One shoes is on the chair. Seema's one shoes is on the chair. So there is a next line. Where is the other shoes? Where is the other shoes? So it is under the bed. Where is the Seema's shoes? Where is Seema's one shoes? One shoes is on the chair. So where is the another shoes? So it is under the bed. Student, what the meaning of under? So the meaning of under is below. Okay, the meaning of under is below. So Seema's one shoes is under bed. Now the next is, Seema has many toys. As you can see in Seema's room that there are many toys. So Seema has many toys. She has a toy train. She has a toy train. She has a teddy. She has a teddy. Seema has 4 toy cars. Seema has 4 toy cars. So student, there is a question that how many toy cars Seema has. So you have to say that Seema has 4 toy cars. Okay. Now the next line, there is she has building blocks. Okay, she has a building blocks. After that, come to the next page, page number 19. So in page number 19 there is Seema likes to play. Seema likes to play with her toys. Seema likes to play with her toys, but she does not put them back. But she does not put them back. After that, the blocks are on the floor. Where is the blocks in Seema's room? So the blocks are on the floor. Now the next, the toy train is on the table. Where is the toy train in Seema's room? So the toy trains are on the table. Now the next, the toy train is on the table. After that, the next line is the toy cars are on the bed. Student, in Seema's room, you can see there is a many toys and they are in different place. Okay, like the toy train is on the table, the blocks are on the floor, and the toy car on the bed. So now the next line, there is a where is the teddy? So tell me, where is the teddy in Seema's room? So we can see the teddy is in the bookshelf. Where is the teddy in Seema's room? So there is teddy is in the bookshelf. Okay. So now the next, Seema runs into the room. Seema runs into the room. She trips on her bed and falls. Okay. After that, the next line is she hurts her elbow. She hurts her elbow. She starts crying. She starts crying. After that, what should Seema do so that she doesn't fall again? Okay. So student, we have completed the reading work, and after that now I am going to explain this story to you. So in this story we have learned that there is a little girl whose name is Seema. Okay. Seema's room is so untidy because she has a small room and her room is very untidy. So because the things were there in disorder. Okay. She likes to play but she doesn't put them back in their proper place. Okay. So now the next, as her school bag in Seema's room, you can see there is a school bag is on the floor. Books are lying on the bed and her one shoe is on the chair and one shoe is under the bed. And she has many toys but they were all in disorder because she likes to play with toys but she doesn't put them back in proper place. Okay student, her toy trains is on the table, her building blocks are on the floor and the toys car on the bed. So like this, all toys are in disorder play. Okay. She puts her all toys in disorder. Okay. And one day she was running into the room and she tripped with her bag and fell on the floor. She hurts her elbow and she started crying. So student, what the conclusion of this story? So in this story we have learned that Seema should be careful. Seema should be more and punctual, and she should keep her things in order. Okay, she should keep her things in order. So student, we have learned in this story that we should always keep our things in a proper place, not like Seema. Okay. So student, you must keep your things in a proper place and you have to clean your house. As we learn in this story that Seema are not careful about her things, so that's why she fall. So student, you